Time is now 8:04. This is for your 806 Northern Ireland Railway service to Lanyard Place, so it is. And well, no guys, this will unfortunately be my last video in Northern Ireland for the next 12 days, as I am off on holiday. So yeah, after this train, yeah, I'll see you when I get back from holiday. Hello.
Give us a cigar.
Never mind, guys. We're going to stick around for the next closure. I did say that I'll see you after 312 left. I'm leaving after 312 left, but
I'm always changing his plans.
Yeah. Yes. Time is now 8:34. This is for your 2036 Northern Ireland Railway service to Lanyard Place. Oh, we just caught a MISUSE.
Yeah, that was so close.
MISUSE.
Nobody's watching it.
Huh?
Nobody's watching it.
Oh, it's coming from this way.
You said it's going to learn?
Sorry, it's going to Whitehead.
Right, this is this way. Right outside.
And 3, 2, 1. Now guys, that is the last time you'll see me before I come back here to Northern Ireland, and I'll be off to Greece now. So then probably be posting stuff on TikTok, but nothing on YouTube, sadly. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll see you in 10 days, 12 days, and goodbye. Time is now 8:38. This is for your 8:39 Northern Ireland Railway service to Long Harbour. Or Whitehead, I think. I did say that was the last clip I was going to be making in Northern Ireland before I was going on holidays, but slight change of plans.
And it wasn't my fault this time.
Yep.
Yeah, it's going Whitehead.
Over two again. And 3, 2, 1. As I said last time, guys, that is my last train spotting video in Northern Ireland for 2 weeks actually. Yeah, pretty strange to think that. But in the meantime, I might be filming, doing like a wee tour video around the hotel. So yeah, I'll see you when that happens. And that'll be the only video I'm making. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you when I upload that video. But yeah, that's the last of my train spotting here for the next 2 weeks. And goodbye.